In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a travel planner in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized space to manage your itinerary, accommodations, transportation, budget, and packing lists, all in one place. Start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new page dedicated to your travel planner. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. If you like, add an icon or cover to make it visually distinct. Keep the layout simple at first. You can refine as you go. The goal is to create a home base that holds everything related to your trip. Next, add the core sections: itinerary, accommodations, transportation, budget, and packing lists. You can do this with headings to break up the page. The itinerary is your high-level overview of each day. Accommodations can store your stay details and check-in times. Transportation holds flights, trains, or car rentals. The budget section keeps spending organized, and the packing lists ensure you don't forget essentials. Now, create a table database to track flights, hotel reservations, and activity schedules. Include useful properties like type, flight, hotel, activity, date, start time, end time, location, confirmation number, cost, and notes. This makes it easy to sort and filter. For example, you can quickly pull up all flights or see everything scheduled on a specific day. Add entries as individual rows so each item opens into a detailed page when clicked. To visualize your plans, add a calendar view to that same database. Choose your date property for the calendar, and you'll see all items placed on the correct days. Drag and drop to adjust timing, and open entries from the calendar to review details. This gives you a clear snapshot of daily plans and avoids overbooking. Inside your planner, attach helpful information. Paste links to airline portals, hotel confirmations, and activity tickets. Add confirmation numbers directly into the database for quick reference. You can also attach PDFs or images and include links to maps for meeting points or directions. Keeping documents close to their related entries saves time when you need them fast. Include checklists to stay on top of packing, budgeting, and prep tasks. Use simple checkboxes for categories like clothing, toiletries, tech, and documents. For budgeting, log costs in your database and use the sum option at the bottom of the cost column to see totals at a glance. Add a short pre-trip checklist, things like downloading offline maps or setting travel alerts, so nothing slips through. Finally, review and update the planner regularly before and during your trip. Make quick adjustments as plans change and check the calendar each morning. If you use the Notion mobile app, you'll have everything at your fingertips wherever you go.